On the 31st of December 2023, as believers from all walks of life had gathered for the beautiful Ashes crossover night service at our fellowship center located in Najanankumbi, Kampala, near Kenjoy Supermarket, God's most beloved anointed servant chosen for our generation, Prophet Asana Enoch, gave a prophecy about scarcity of materials used in repair and maintenance of aeroplanes. And this, he said, would lead to so many accidents and plane crashes.
I saw scarcity of components used in repair and maintenance of aeroplanes. Yes. And this has caused the high rates of plane crashes. Due to lack of proper maintenance. Yes.
Terrain, pull up. Terrain, pull up.
Surely, in the year 2024, we have witnessed so many tragic accidents, plane crashes, and reports indicate that this has been one of the worst years in civil aviation.